Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by making sure you have the right gear, a level 2 pickaxe or better, and inventory space. Enter a Lost Rooms instance on a high-tier server. Titanium spawns more frequently in advanced rooms. Once in, move toward the biome markers or node clusters on your map. These are where titanium nodes appear. You should prioritize speed and a straight route so you can mine before other players. Keep awareness of timers and node respawn behavior as you approach. Once you reach a titanium node, use charged or heavy swings to break it efficiently. This reduces durability faster and saves time. You want to mine until the node collapses to guarantee the full titanium drop, then pick up the chunk immediately. Inventory management matters, so stack or compress lower value items first. If other players contest the node, use nearby cover and bait tactics. Sometimes waiting one respawn cycle is safer. Keep moving between nodes to maintain momentum and avoid losing progress to ambushes. After collecting titanium, head to a furnace or refinery to smelt the ore into usable titanium bars. This step converts raw drops into craftable material or tradable currency. Make sure you have fuel and the required schematics to avoid wasting time. If you don't see titanium in your inventory, retrace your steps. Check for full inventory, open storage containers, and review recent node logs on the HUD. If nodes aren't spawning, switch servers or wait.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.